Okay, today in the last part of ionic bonding, because you have already learned about the drawing, you learn about half equation, you already learn about explanation. Now the very last part is how you identify the valence electron or the group or the chemical formula. So for this kind of question, example, element S is in group 1, element R is in group 16, what is the chemical formula? So usually you write chemical formula. Let's say I ask you to write chemical formula of sodium chloride. What will you do? You will think about the charge first, right? I know sodium is plus, chloride is negative. Okay, so come here is also 1, come here is also 1, but I don't write 1 for chemistry, so it's like this, right? And then let's say sodium oxide. So you will first remember the charge, and then what will you do? You bring this 2 down, you bring this 1 down, right? So it's Ne2O1, but I don't write the 1. That's how you do it all the time, right? Now they want you to identify the chemical formula, but they give you unknown value. You see, they give you unknown, so you don't know the charge. How are you going to do? How am I going to do without the charge? Now you must understand, positive 1 means it donated 1 electron. 2 plus means it donated 2 electron. 3 plus means it donated 3 electron. Negative 2 means it accepted 2 electron. Negative 3 means it accepted 3 electron. And then you will have negative 1 means accept 1 electron. So now element S in group 1, meaning what? It will donate 1 electron, become positive charge, right? It becomes a positive charge. So we know S is actually positive. R is in group 16. Group 16 means it has 6 valence electron. So I will accept 2 electron. I'll be like this, right? So now can you do? Yes, I can do. It's like this. So it's actually the same concept, but you just use it based on the details given. Okay, let's see X2, W3. Which group X and W belong? So how am I going to do? All this while I move it from here, from up down, from up to down, right? Now in this kind of question, same concept, you are just moving it upwards. Meaning, you are just moving it upwards. Meaning, I know it's X2, W3, right? So this one actually comes from here, right? And this one actually comes from here. Meaning X is actually like this, right? And W is actually like this, right? Always write the number first, then only the sign, okay? So I know this is from group what? I know it's 3 valence electron. If it is 3 valence electron get donated, 3 valence electron, starting from 1 2 you just say group 1 group 2, but starting to 3 to 8 you must plus 10, right? So this will be group 13, whereas this one is from group what? It accepted 2 electron. So usually if it is 6 means it will accept 2 electron, right? So it's group 16. Can you understand? Now in your assignment I have given you some examples of question related to it. It's all the SPM format question. So I want you to try, but if you notice, right, in Google Docs I cannot write like this. That means I cannot write where your X is bigger, your number 2 and 3 smaller. I can't write it. So if you notice, you will see something like that. If you see something like that in your Google Doc, it just means like this. It just means like this. Okay. If you see P2 plus, okay, that means it's just telling you element P has 2 positive. I can't write like this in the Google document. So I have to, no choice but to write like this. Alright. So you try your assignment.